and Lorian decided to cut their hair all by themselves. And look at what they did. Let me see your hair, Lorian. Turn around. Turn that way.
She looks so cute.
That way we can see your hair. And here's Leanne's hair. Did you guys take turns cutting your hair? Who was cutting the hair first? Sissy, you're
first.
Mine is no. She cut her hair.
She cut her own hair first. And then she cut your hair?
Yeah, and then I cut my hair and
Oh my god.
Let me see the back of your hair.
Mine's a little long. These are
Show the clippers that she used.
Are those the ones you used? Who cut them?
Sissy. Sissy cut my hair too. And Sissy. And I cut it. So I pulled it and we take it slow. It'll grow.
So who decided on the hairstyles?
Let me have these.
Huh?
Sissy did.
And you wanted your short, Lorian?
I wanted mine a little short, but
Let me see this side. Let me see this side. Turn your head.
Well, you won't cry anymore when it's time for me to brush it.
yeah. I don't cry.
You're going to have to go get them to get fixed.
Oh gosh.
Let me see your hair, Leanne.
Oh man.
I think Patty, your nanny, jinxed y'all. You gotta call him.
Oh my god.
Leanne, you're supposed to cut your hair. You don't cut your hair, baby.
You don't ever do this again, okay?
But Sissy started it first.
She's new herself.
It almost looks styled.
I know. Like that little cut where it's like short in the front.
You got the Kate Gosselin look?
No! But this is a chunk right. Oh my god.